5 tips on how habits really work. Understanding the mechanics of habit formation is key to successfully implementing new behaviors and breaking old ones. Here are 5 essential tips. The habit loop. Cue, a trigger that initiates the habit. Craving, the desire or motivation to perform the habit. Response, the actual behavior or action. Reward, the positive outcome or satisfaction gained from the habit. To form a new habit, identify the cue, the craving, and the reward. Then create a new response that satisfies the craving and leads to the desired reward. Start small. Start with tiny, manageable steps. This reduces the psychological barrier to action and increases the likelihood of consistency. For example, instead of aiming for a 30-minute workout, start with just 5 minutes. Habit stacking. Tie a new habit to an existing one. This creates a natural cue for the new behavior. For instance, after brushing your teeth, existing habit. Meditate for 2 minutes, new habit. Design your environment. Create an environment that supports your desired habits. Remove temptations and make healthy choices easy. For example, keep healthy snacks visible and junk food out of sight. Be patient and persistent. Habit formation takes time. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Celebrate small wins along the way. By understanding and applying these principles, you can effectively build new habits and transform your life.